Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use the Temu app for shopping. Let's get started. First, launch the Temu app and sign in to access personalized deals and features. Use the search bar to find what you need like dress or kitchen tool. Explore categories like home, fashion, or electronics for inspiration. You can also tap filters to narrow by price, ratings, or style. Use sort to see best-selling or newest item. Then you can open a product to check photos, size chart, specs, and customers' reviews. Scroll down to view real user photos for a realistic preview. If you love the item, hit add to cart. If you're still deciding, tap the heart icon to save it to your wish list. In order to check out, go to cart, apply coupons or Temu coins, and proceed to payment. Use secure options like PayPal or credit card. Tap View Your Orders, then select your order and monitor its status from processing to delivery. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.